Today I will show you my journey in YouTube. Let's go.
Hey guys, one of the first video I made is with her, with my baby. She has 1 year. Then that was 2015, and this is when I start to get viewers and subscribers. She actually helped me. Let me show you a video.
Oh, you're still there. So yeah, when I make this first video with my dog, and I saw I got a lots of views, then I start do more videos, but not that much successful. We'll continue. Oh, guess who I'm acting? What channel is this? See you later.
Look, shovel, snow. I'm shoveling at least twice a day. I don't want to get high because it's harder. I work smarter, not harder. The cat. Have fun. That's so cool. Anyway, when I upload this first video, I thought it's gonna be a miracle. But it's not like that. It's not easy. I thought when I upload new video, it's like, oh, everybody waits when I upload new video. Let's go watch his video. I'm just kidding myself. It's not that easy. Actually, look like this. Let me show you. It doesn't matter how interesting your video or funny video. It doesn't matter what content you made. If you don't have your supporter, your audience, you're still on bottom. Even if you got your audience, but you don't support them, you're still on the bottom. Then my next step was a study. And every day I watch video Tim Schmeier. He's helped me so much. And thank you, Tim Schmeier. Then I realize how this works. I'm not the only one on YouTube. Tim Schmeier said, you need to connect with the people. Don't just wait audience attention. Give something to them. Visit his channel. Comment something nice. And always be connected with people. But how to find these people? Watching his video and listening carefully, my channel started to grow. He's the first guy I start to learning from him. He's awesome. Thank you, Tim Schmeier. Thank you so much. He's helped me to understand how, but you guys, you helped me to grow. And you are important. thank you so much. You are the important link on YouTube. Sometimes I get a comment from YouTuber, I have no idea what she said. So I copy comment and translate, which then told me it's not Portuguese. I'm sure someone else has the same problem. I don't remember who. So as you can see here, until 2017, I barely came to 50 subscribers and 48,000 views. That's it. 7 years with this 46 uploads, 46 video. Of course, I have to mention High Tech. He make a first shout out for my channel. Of course, he is also guilty for my intro. And High Tech, thank you so much for
that. It's the one and only Digo Double G. You know I'm mopping with the D.R.E.